Unraveling the Red Planet, A Journey with Mars Odyssey. Over 2 decades ago, a spacecraft was launched. Its destination? Mars. Its name? Odyssey, NASA's longest-running Mars mission. Gazing at Mars from its orbit, Odyssey has been shedding light on the mysteries of the Red Planet, uncovering its secrets. From discovering vast amounts of water ice, to studying the planet's geology, Odyssey has been a silent pioneer in interplanetary exploration. But Odyssey isn't just a silent observer. It's a critical link, relaying data from rovers on Mars back to the scientists on Earth. Despite the harsh conditions, Odyssey continues its mission. Each day brings new discoveries, each orbit deepens our understanding of this alien world. Join us as we celebrate over 20 years of the Mars Odyssey. Let's continue the journey, exploring the Red Planet together.